What?
We're just gonna get it.
How does it work?
It's very
Does it
soft.
work?
How does it work?
See?
Ano lang.
How does it work?
Like, look, look, look.
2, 3.
Go!
Good job! You're done.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Cute at smart kid ba kamo? Wala nang iba kundi si Elias Modesto. Sa video na ibinahagi ng kanyang ina na si Ellen Adarna, makikitang kukuhanan ng dugo si Elias para sa kanyang drug test. Habang naiiyak ang bata ay hindi mapigilan mapatanong na, how does it work? Napaka-cute niyang tingnan habang todo suporta naman ang kanyang daddy Derek Ramsey niya kung saan denimo kay Derek kung paano ito gawin. Hanggang sa naging matagumpay ang pagkuha ng dugo kay Elias, kitang-kita na sobrang natakot si Elias nang kunan siya ng dugo, maraming mga fans ang natuwa maging si Ellen dahilan sa pagkadamay ni Derek. Narito at ating panoorin ang video nito, pero bago yan maaari po kayong mag-subscribe sa ating channel, para sa iba pang celebrity updates.
What?
We're just gonna get it.
How does it work?
It's very
Does it
soft.
work?
How does it work?
See?
Ano lang.
How does it work?
Like, look, look, look. See, nothing. Oh, look, look, look. Oh, Papa Dio, look.
When you were...
How does it work?
It licks your skin so that the little blood will come out so that they can test the blood. Oh, who first? Me or you? Me?
Don't move. Papadi, don't move. Oh, papadi, don't move. Don't move. That's the blood.
That's it.
Oh, you're doing good, okay?
Okay, come on.
Close your eyes.
Oh, wait.
Oh,
Papa Dio and you together. Oh, go.
2.
Open. Oh, wait,
Close your eyes, close your
Unfair
eyes.
if Papa D doesn't do it.
Okay.
Open na. Like this, open
See,
na.
oh. There's also here, oh. There's also blood.
What? There's nothing, Bob.
Okay, oh, soft lang daw. Oh, soft lang daw. Soft lang. Soft
She's
lang.
cleaning lang the back because
She's
there's also
cleaning
bacteria
pa.
on the back.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh. 1, 2, 3.
Go!
Good job! You're done.
Done!
See, Daddy's done na din.